Okay, bye guys. That's Maya getting kicked out of Moose McGuire for stirring some real big fights. Bye.
Abram was just scavenging discarded bike. I think it's no, I'm just joking. But he's
There are lots of
serious friggin' stuff.
We had that capacity on Saturday afternoon. There were 850 bikes. I gotta say, if you're in any city, any major city in Europe to see, whether it's Amsterdam or Copenhagen or Munich or Berlin, to see 850 or a few thousand bikes all over the place is a big deal. But to have the Calgary skyline right there, you see a bicycle.
That's sweet. That's a picture opportunity, actually.
Are you recording? I don't like my voice.
Any messages for Abram, George? Any messages for Abram?
Come back soon, Abram.
Wonderful.
We think you're the greatest. Calgary can't live without you.
Wonderful. That's Mahendra. That's Dr. Clark and Abram having a nice conversation.
Did Abram say anything yet? Tell him to say something like a Trini. Skin shia, skin shia.
Hi Abram, do you have anything to say to all Calgarians now that you're leaving?
Well, I didn't meet all Calgarians, but the ones that I met were certainly gracious, and I owe a big debt of gratitude to each. And I guess what I would say to both those that I met and didn't meet is that you all have a wonderful city here. It's somewhere between a big small city and a small big city, and it's handling its growth in terms of community, I think, gracefully, given the size and the distances to bridge. And I was really flattered to be a part of that in small ways, but my word of encouragement is that the networks exist, they're out there. This city of 1.5 million or so people has so many dynamic individuals working at so many nodes, you know, of social justice and community building right here that don't even know each other. And I had the luxury of time, thanks to the consortium, to help connect those nodes. And I think there's a lot more connecting to be done, so I hope that can happen in my absence and maybe in my presence in the future.
Thank you, thank you. Any other messages? Or is that it?
Y'all have amazing summers. I wish you the best for the winter. I'll be back in the summer.
Wonderful. Did you guys hear that? He's gonna be back.
Yes. Okay.
I think we got that one.